Oh shit, what's up, John, bro?
What's up, Kemonist?
No much, chillin'. What you doing posted up at my house for?
Yeah, you told me to come over. We're gonna film the skit, right?
Oh shit, oh, I forgot.
Remember?
Yeah, I forgot, bro. Yeah, bro, but shit. What you been up to though, bro? What's been new? What you been up to?
Shit, nothing much. You know, this whole coronavirus bullshit. What about you, though? What's been popping with you?
Shit, bro, nothing much, man. Just been living, enjoying, hating and working
all
shit.
good, bro.
You already know how I be in this coronavirus shit, bro. I gotta work because I'm an essential worker. You feel me? Like,
Yeah, me too, bro.
Yeah, that's bullshit. Like that ass though, bro.
But what idea did you have for the skit? What you trying to do? What's up?
Shit, I don't know, bro. That's why I was trying to come to you and ask you what's up with it because, you know, I've been kind of thinking, like, what if we make... You finna tap that?
Yeah, I'm finna tap it. That's what I bought it for. You know the rules, bro. I gotta tap it first before you got it.
What you mean, bro? You can change the rule just a little bit. Let me get some.
I just got this like 10 minutes ago when I was waiting for it.
Oh, for real? You gonna be like that? Remember what happened last time, nigga, when I let you have some of my shit?
What you mean what happened last time? What happened last time?
Take a step back real quick.
Sense for this shit.
You saying you have to kill my brother. Don't kill him, bro.
I'm not gonna kill him.
Yeah, but I heard that thing finna be cold though, bro. Like, it's gonna be, I heard it's gonna be fucking.
Oh yeah, I remember. Shit, you know what? Alright, bro, fair enough. I'll let you hit it.
My nigga, you see? That's why I fuck with you, bro. That's why I fuck with you. That's what I'm saying, man. You be a little courteous, you be good. But yeah, but what's some more stuff that you want to tell me though?
Well, as far as a skit idea, I was thinking we could do like something like types of people at the gym, you know? Kimani, bro, what the fuck? You said you were gonna fucking tap it.
What? I did tap it, just with my saliva.
Fuck you mean? You were chugging my shit.
Nigga, I was not chugging it, bro. I just took a sip, bro.
And you're saying that as you're still chugging my shit.
Bro, it's not even, take it. Never mind, just take the shit, take it.
Nah, bro. Alright.
You gonna act, come on, bro, you can, hey, fuck it then. My shit then, nigga.
Bitch.